the channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit from Outre. It's from their Perfect Hairline collection in the style PH17. This is what the unit is looking like on the stock card. It comes in several different colors of your everyday colors of, you know, 1B, 2, but it also has a ton of specialty colors. This color here in the middle would have been a really pretty specialty color to review, but then also like the cherry color or the dark amber, but y'all know lately I just really been into the whole 1B, but depending on how I like this unit, I probably will go back for her in one of those specialty colors. The texture of this unit is a light yaki texture. Look at those curls and waves, like so pretty and like effortless looking. And just in case if you didn't see it on the stock card, this unit is 24 inches in length. The cap construction for this unit comes with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, 2 in the front with 1 on each side. It also comes with adjustable straps here in the back, along with the security band on the inside that you can adjust. When it comes to the leg space on this unit, it is a 13x6, meaning you are going to get 13 inches going across the front and then 6 inches going straight back for the parting space. And holding this unit up like this, seeing it through the light, oh, but they did an amazing job when it comes to the pre-plucking of this unit. And she also does come with some baby hairs as well.
I'm at the top of my game. I'm with hate. This shit come with the fame. That's how I knew that I made it. I woke up looking this good. I'm in my prime. These niggas gotta get paid. If these bitches ain't bad, I need to go harder. I can't let them think we the same. Hands sitting up like a horse, just pretty like a portrait. Mouth full of diamonds and porcelain. Bitch, I know I'm gorgeous. Little bitty waist, big titties, I don't need no corset. Rich off these endorsements. Shot hoes lazy. I always worried about a boyfriend. Posse is biggie and bigger. I'm taking the money and look like I ate a few high. Just hopped on the G6. I don't get here while I'm playing my switch. This nigga found out about that nigga. I don't give a fuck.
Let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Outre. Of course, we're going to talk about my pros and cons about this unit, but before we get into those, I do want to let you guys know that I've had this unit on for about 4 to 6 hours at this point. I installed it earlier today, and then I took my kiddos to a birthday party, so therefore I have been to Walmart, I have been outside, I have been inside, I have done all the things in this wig. So I feel like instead of, you know, the typical, let me put it on, let me tell you my first thoughts about it, I can at least give you a semi-wear test thought process behind the wig. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into my cons first. I really only have one con about this unit, and that would be that she is tangling up on me a tad bit too much for my liking. Like anytime I go to toss the hair or if I run my fingers through the hair, I'm gonna get some type of like snagging to where I have to like pull down a little bit with a little bit of force. There we go, that's what I'm really trying to say. With a little bit of force in order to get my fingers through. Now for me personally, I'm not too mad about it because I mean at the end of the day it is a synthetic unit and so it's kind of expected. But the fact that like, I don't know, it's my first time wearing the unit. I've worn it for 4 to 6 hours at this point, but I was even noticing that when I first pulled it out of the box. I guess I just wish it wouldn't tangle or snag as much. And again, I think I said this in my last Outre review. I could probably put a little bit of silicone spray on it and it might be okay, but yeah, I don't have no silicone spray on hand, so I wouldn't really know. But that's pretty much my one and only con about this unit. So with that being my only con about this unit, let's go ahead and jump into my pros. And my first one is going to be, girl, get this wig. Okay, get this wig. Do you hear me? For me personally, this is my type of wig, like my type of like everyday style. If I could have an everyday style for a wig, this would be my go-to. It's a nice length. It could even be slightly shorter, honestly, but it's a nice length. I love the layering on her. I love the curls, waves, whatever you want to call them on her. The styling of it, done to perfection. The hairline, done to perfection. Like when I say they went in and they pre-plucked this thing, they really and truly pre-plucked this unit. Now I did go in and try to like customize a hairline a tad bit, and I feel like I did okay for the most part. Like, I don't know, me personally, I have not mastered that super sleek, slick back hairline and made it to where it can look very natural. It's always gonna like look wiggy on me. So the messy actual like, I don't know, I can't explain it, but this looks like a natural hairline to me. That's what it is. It's not giving like rounded moon shaped wig type of look. So that's why I feel like it's a natural hairline in my opinion, with the little customizations that I did. The lace on this unit is so thin to where it melted perfectly in my opinion. I feel like I got a little loud right there, I'm sorry. But it melted perfectly in my opinion. And then on top of that, with the color stocking caps that I have underneath, which is like a, I want to say it's like a beige and a brown. I have two on, but it's not the darker brown. It's like a, I don't know, but clearly it's giving scalp. Like if I were to part the hair, like come on, that, you can't tell me that don't look realistic. I'm also really loving the texture of this wig. I'm pretty sure I stated it earlier that it's a light yaki texture, and like depending on the style of the wig, I really love me a good old yaki texture wig because obviously it's going to mimic type 4 hair the most. But whenever it's a light yaki texture synthetic unit, I feel like it mimics like either relaxed hair or silk pressed hair very well, and that's exactly what this gives me. Like y'all, I can't lie, I think I'm low-key obsessed with this unit, and I'm definitely probably going to end up, where's the stock card, here we go, going to end up going back for either the cherry cola or the dark amber. I don't know, I gotta do my research and see if anybody who is my skin tone has done one of these, so I can see if it's gonna look as good as I'm hoping it's gonna look. But like this style, this 1B, yes ma'am, absolutely love it, absolutely. But yeah, y'all, I don't want to talk y'all's head off too much, especially with me sounding like this on your screen like I'm sick. So with that being said, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, they'll be both linked below down in the description box. If I can find a direct link to this unit, I will also have it linked down in the description box as well. But yeah, other than that, I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.